Hello, everyone. My name is Adisa Stewart, and I'll be presenting a workshop titled Rest and Joy as Pathways to Wellbeing, Supporting Black Mental Health Across Generations. For many Black communities, joy has long been a source of our strength. Across generations, we've drawn on perseverance, creativity, faith, and collective care to navigate things like systemic racism, economic hardship, and other forms of adversity. These strengths have helped us survive, but well-being asks something more of us than survival alone. So this workshop explores the idea that rest, joy, and community are not luxuries. They are essential pathways to well-being. So together, we'll explore how Generation X, Millennials, and Generation Z have each developed different relationships with work, rest, mental health, and emotional well-being based on the historical, cultural, and social realities they have experienced. Rather than comparing generations, we'll examine what each generation has inherited, the challenges they face, and the wisdom they offer. We'll also explore how Black communities have long practiced healing through music, storytelling, spirituality, celebration, humor, and collective care. These traditions have supported well-being for generations, even before we had language like trauma-informed care, somatics, or even nervous system regulation. Participants will be introduced to a simple grounding and practice to support the nervous system regulation, reduce stress, and create greater capacity for rest, connection, and joy. Throughout the session, they'll have opportunities for reflection and conversation while considering how they can intentionally cultivate both personal and collective well-being in their everyday lives. My hope is that participants leave with a deeper understanding of how our relationship with rest and joy is shaped by both history and lived experience, along with practical tools they can immediately begin using to support their own well-being and the well-being of those around them. Thank you for your consideration, and I look forward to the opportunity to learn and share with you. Thank you.